Welcome to the eWay-CRM tutorial series. We have prepared a set of short videos in which we will go through the basics of working with our system. Today's episode is dedicated to how to install eWay-CRM. Whether you're creating a new account with us or connecting to an existing database, you'll need an installation file. You can get it on our website, eWay-CRM.com, and it is common for eWay-CRM Free and eWay-CRM Premium. So go to our web pages and download the file. In the top right corner, there is a button that will take you to the page for the file download. Click on Click here to initiate the download to start the download. When you have saved it, just run it. A short guide will welcome you. Just click through it quickly and wait for eWay-CRM to install. As soon as everything is done, click on the Start Microsoft Outlook button. When you open Outlook, the eWay-CRM welcome screen appears. If you're new with us and want to try our product, select the Create Account option. If you need to connect to an existing database, click on Login. Let's take it from the beginning. At first, we register a new account. After you click on the button to create a new account, a page will appear where we select the type of the edition. The differences between them are clearly listed, and if you're not sure, choose eWay-CRM Premium. You will be able to try all the features of our CRM. In the next step, fill in your data and get to know our license terms and conditions and privacy policy. To continue, we will need your consent to both. Next, you can choose whether you are interested in creating a database with sample data or whether you want to start from scratch. If you just need to try our system, the sample database is definitely useful. When you've already decided and you're going to import your data into CRM, select Blank Database. eWay-CRM modules are available on the next to last screen. Contacts and companies, sales, projects, marketing campaigns, quotes and billing, timesheets and planning. By activating them, eWay-CRM refolds exactly as you need. When you click on the small question mark, it will show what the module is good for. For testing purposes, we turn everything on. Later, we can turn off unnecessary things in the administration settings. Check your company address on the last page or activate additional features. You can find a detailed explanation in our documentation. As soon as you confirm your option, the system will create an account and prepare a local database. This operation may take a while, and once it's done, we'll give you a web service address and login credentials. In any case, we'll send it to you by email, which you should save in your archive. If you're going to install eWay-CRM on another computer or want to upload our app to your phone, you'll need it. Finally, it's done. You can just switch into Outlook and get started with eWay-CRM. On the top, you'll see a toolbar with the most important modules. Their complete list is then available under the eWay-CRM tab. If you are installing eWay-CRM on another computer, select the Login option in the introductory guide. After you click on the button, you will get to the screen where you will enter the web service address, username, and password. You can find this information in the email we sent you when you registered, or you received it from your eWay-CRM administrator. If you're not sure, don't hesitate to contact our support. They are here to help you. After filling in the data, eWay-CRM connects to the cloud or your server and starts to create a local copy of the database. eWay-CRM works offline, so we need to copy the data from the server to your computer so that it is available even without the internet connection. Once everything is done, the eWay-CRM toolbar is active and you can get to work, and we'll look at it in the following video. That is all for today. Thank you for your attention. If you liked the video, you can give it a like on YouTube or share it through social networks. If you wish to learn more, visit our blog, Facebook, or LinkedIn. You can send us an email at info@eway-crm.com. We are happy to help. Thank you for your attention. Have a nice day, and don't forget, be effective with eWay-CRM.